Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another daily goodie box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. Almost forgot what I was opening. Alright, so we have another daily goodie box. The reason why I forgot is because it's been a long time since I've opened up this box. This is the box for January. This is what it looks like every month, and if you're thinking daily goodie box, maybe you haven't heard of this one. This is actually a free box, and it's really simple. Create an account on dailygoodiebox.com or go to their Facebook. It gives you the different posts that they post every day that gives you a chance to get a daily goodie box. This one I love because the variety of the products in this free box, seriously, it's free. They're so different and random that you never know what you're gonna get. One, and you can receive full-size products too. So the reason why they do this is because they kind of want your feedback on their products. So these are usually not big brand names most of the cases. So they kind of want to get your idea and your opinions on what you would feel. So you're not obligated to do any reviews or anything like that, but the companies kind of want to get the word out. So right now is like a good time to, since we're all home, this is a good time to check out new products, right? So this is what it looks like inside. So it's always wrapped in tissue paper, and then you get like that little daily goodie box pamphlet there, and it says you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything inside the box. So you see it's like a little burrito in there. And then as you open it up, everything that's in the box is inside. So let's take a look and see what came actually for the month of August. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is passion fruit snack rounds. So this is from Wholeberry. And if you guys have ever heard of any of the products that I mentioned, definitely let me know. This one I haven't specifically heard of. So let me see. So it says made from whole passion fruit, including the pulp, juice, seeds, peels. This is tiny fruit powerhouse passion fruit inside. So that is what that looks like there. Anything fruity, I'm totally down for. And then the next thing we have here is Rowdy Chocolate Coconut Cashew. So there you go, it tells you what it is. So this says clean protein, lasting energy, yakan root, prebiotics, soy-free, dairy-free, all natural. And I've noticed since opening up this box, for the months that I've opened up this box, all the products are usually like very natural, vegan free. So if you're looking for healthy, conscious snacks, the snacks are always definitely healthy. And then the next thing I have here is actually nail polish. I don't think I've ever gotten I don't know if this is it, but I don't remember ever getting nail polish from Daily Goodie Box before. So let me see here. So yeah, this is nail polish. So this is from Share is what it looks like. So that's a pretty color. I like colors like this. So this is definitely getting me ready for the fall, finally. So this is definitely a good one. And then the next one, now we've tried this one before. So this, I can say this is like a cult classic in my house. This is Coco Lux Hydration 100% coconut water. My husband swears by this. We've actually bought like a package of the real package at the store, and you can get this online. But I'll have the list of all the products of this box on my blog, so definitely go check that out. And then the next thing we have here is chicken salt vegan barbecue. Now we're actually vegans in my house, but this is barbecue, this is seasoning. So anybody can use seasoning. We actually usually get Beyond Burgers, so we'll definitely use this on our Beyond Burgers. So this is really, really good. And plus it's barbecue, it's all purpose seasoning, so you can season that for anything. And then the next thing we have here, this is Rejuva, what is this? Tinted Moisturizer Ultra Sheer with natural minerals. This is paraben free also. So you can see that there. So let me see if we can do a swatch here really quick just to check this one out. So this is, you see, this is like a good size product for tinted moisturizer. Let me see. And it actually has a safety seal, so give me a second, which is perfect. Let me try to get that off here. so we can just try to see what this looks like. So there you go. So I'm gonna give that a swatch there. In tinted moisturizer, you don't have to put a lot, so I kind of exaggerated that, but you can spread that out, and it does look like it should tone in, and you can put your own color there if you need to. So I'm gonna spread that out so I don't look ridiculous. And then we have two more things here. We have Neat Sheets. It says attractive protection for your shirt lap, easy to adhesive tabs, liquid absorbent fronts. So I don't know what this is. Definitely gonna have the information under the video so you guys can see exactly what this is. But you look at the picture, it looks like it's kind of like a napkin. So this is like a, okay, I just got it. I'm super slow, sorry. So this is, it looks like these are like handy napkins that you can put around if you're out and about, or if you're in your backyard. I know most of us are not going out and about, but this is perfect. You can take in your backyard to use. And then last but not least, this is, oh, this is shampoo. So this is Nature Nut shampoo for dry and damaged hair. Now guys, I'm going on a natural hair care journey. So if you wanna go in that route, I guess because this boredom spot home stuff, I'm a little bit bored. So I'm just stopping to put starting to stop putting heat in my hair. So I'm going natural. So I'm going back in my curls. So this is definitely perfect and perfect timing for me. So if you want to follow your journey, my journey into my natural hair curl journey, I guess you can say, definitely go check out the blog, because I'm going to be posting my journey and how I'm doing with the journey myself. But this is super perfect because dry and damaged, that's what my hair is. So this is SLS free and paraben free, and I'm very conscious of the ingredients that I put in my hair now. So if you're kind of self-conscious, this was definitely good. So I've never heard of this one, so I'm definitely gonna check this one, this one out. And what they do is they give you like different, more information on the companies that are featured in the box. And if there's like a discount, those are featured in there as well. So you can see that there. So let's do a recap and see what all came inside this box. So of course, full size looks like here. This is the shampoo. And what I'm thinking this is full size because I've checked natural hair care shampoos and products, and they're usually about this 13 to 15 ounces is what I found. So this definitely roundabout, that should be definitely be a full size product of it. And then we have our snack, passion fruit snack, and we have our tinted moisturizer. We have our all-purpose seasoning so we can get our cook on. And then we also have our coconut water, so we can check that out. Nail polish to get us ready for the fall. And of course, our Neat Sheets. So if you have kids, you guys know we always need something there. So what did you guys think of the August goodie box? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And also make sure you guys are checking out my blog, because I post a ton of blogs and reviews on there that I don't feature on YouTube. So if you guys want to check out a product, definitely go check that out. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.